Today's day 8. It's very exciting because we are going to see maybe the border of
Vietnam,
Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. It's a bit of a windy trip to get up there. We're going from Kon Tum to Hoi An.
And it's 7:30, time to check out and hit the road. Stopping to get some pho and coffee. Come on. Ooh, brekkie. How much was brekkie?
$100.
$100,000. 1,000. Come on.
Like a lot, right?
Next stop, the border.
This is gonna be a long drive.
You have to do your helmet up, babe. $40,000.
Yeah.
Onwards!
So, doesn't matter which way you go, this is a safety stop for like a checkpoint. Okay. And you're gonna have a checkpoint over there regardless. So if you want to go to that spot you want to go to, you're gonna have to go through this anyway.
Oh yeah, man, I didn't have any opinion.
Yeah.
Oh. Note to self, put the camera away when you rock up to a border. They really don't like the camera. Hey babe.
Yeah, none of them do. You should do that.
Yeah. Do you think this is Vietnam still, babe? We're so close. We're hoping it's just over the hill. This is still Vietnam. Over this hill is Cambodia and Laos. We're hoping to get to the tri-border. Look at him go! Yeah! Come on, you can do it! Wow! Yeah! Woo! That was impressive.
This is the hill next to the border.
Yeah.
That's the border. They don't want to let us go up the hill because they don't let foreigners do it.
At this moment in time.
So yeah, we should just get out of here.
So we're leaving. Okay, so from the checkpoint to the border is actually only 20 minutes. But if you're a foreigner, just to let you know, you can't actually get to the tri-border. So it was unfortunate we couldn't high-five the tri-border, but the drive is beautiful.
There's the Kon Tum, there's the border that we went to, and now we're going up to Hoi An. And this A17 is the drive that I think is going to be really beautiful.
Yay!
It's along this national park and stuff. What do you guys think the mystery stuff is?
It looks like
maybe to do clothes.
Yeah, wow. It feels like it's silk. It's like silky.
I think it's some sort of a fabric.
Okay, it's 12:30 and we have stopped in a tiny little town for some lunch at this place.
We're we're a little bit less than halfway to Hoi An.
Cool. Yeah. We're making good time.
Yeah. This is where it's going to get really, really stunning in here though. So this next leg of the trip should be really beautiful.
Yeah. Ready for lunch?
Yes.
You look a bit tired. Oh,
Pork ribs, fish. Này gà hả?
Gà không?
Chicken. Oh, thì có trứng gà hả?
Nhưng mà thịt trơn.
Hết trơn hết trời. Thì mà thì có trứng gà.
Em đang đục.
Bò kho hả?
Dạ bò kho.
Beef and potatoes, shrimp, eggs, or whatever you want. You just get rice and you pick whatever you want.
oh, okay, cool.
I do, yeah. That's awesome. Good for you, man. Why? No, a lot of people don't like that. My dad, when Dad would tell me stories when he go to work at these American companies and he'd bring the sauce in, and all of his coworkers like they make fun of him all the time. It's called monk. All the Americans would make fun of him.
Try it, babe.
Because it's so pungent, you know.
Do you like it, baby?
It's a little fishy. Yeah, I liked it last time I tried it.
Nice. 180,000 dong for lunch, which is $7.75.
Last time I was in Thailand.
Okay, it's 1:15 and we're going to hit the road again.
Admire the view.
Yeah.
This way is? I think he wants to pee.
It's 3 o'clock and we're at this river.
Stay there.
We have a little ways to go. Oh, David dropped his GoPro down there. Okay, we're on the GoPro rescue. Trying to figure out how to get David's GoPro back. Okay, there's Ian. He's gonna make it down the mountain here. And there's some stairs. So I'm gonna try and guide him. Yeah, baby. Go left. Yep, there's the stairs. Okay, rescue mission engaged. Looks like he's going to be successful. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, baby! GoPro rescue mission a success.
It looks so scary from up here, but I'm like, those things, they look like they're as wide as a sidewalk. If I got down there, maybe it wouldn't be so scary. And then when I got down, I'm like, yeah, it's the sidewalk. I can walk that, no problem. It's like...
So now we're just kind of out in the middle of nowhere near the forest, and we're headed to Hoi An. We have 2 hours and 20 minutes to go, and it's 3:30.
Ooh. Stopping for a fresh Ngoc Mia.
Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know why it looks like, but it's good.
Okay, it's 6:15 and we made it to Hoi An. Yay! Today's trip was about 10 hours, 45 minutes, so about 11 hours. Very similar to yesterday's trip, which was 10.5 hours. And we just found a hotel. It's really lovely. It's called Santorini Hoi An Villa, and we got it for $25 for the night. The Santorini.
The same thing has happened in Vietnam over and over and over again. What is it? We go into a place, no bookings, and we find a place within 15 minutes of arriving in town.
Yeah.
This place was really fun. Kon Tum. We drove from Kon Tum. We left at like 7 a.m. We made plenty of stops, and we made it to Hoi An.
My favorite part of the trip was after the dam, And then we were going through really remote little villages.
Yes.
And it was beautiful. It was just so beautiful. That was my favorite part of the trip.
Yes.
Agree? Yeah.